Dear kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you English subject. Okay, in previous video we have already learned small letters I to L. Okay, now today I will teach you small letter M. Okay, so look here, look on the board. See, this is a capital M. Which letter? Capital M. And this one is small m. Come on, look carefully. See, this is a small m. Okay. Firstly, I request all parents write first line according to PDF in your child notebook. Okay, like this. Okay. Now, children, take your notebook, pencil. Have you taken? Okay. Start. Okay. So look here. Firstly, look carefully. Then after you write. Okay. See. Write small m in blue line. Which line? Middle. Choose blue line. Okay. So look here how to write. See. Standing line. Then draw continuously. Up curve. Then again draw up curve. Like this. This is a small m. Okay. You also write. Very good. Once again, look carefully, all students. See, standing line, then draw continuously, upside curve. See, this is a up curve. Okay, understood? Complete first line. Okay. Once again, look here. Standing line. Then draw continuously upside to down, up to down. This is a small m. M sound is, come on tell me, ma. M sound is ma. Okay. So this is a small m. Which letter is this? Small m. Okay, write in only blue line. Don't come outside. Okay. Once again look here. Standing line. Up to down. Up to down. Like this. Small m. So, understood how to write small m in proper line? Very good. Now tell me m after. Yes, very good. M. This is a capital M and this one is small m. This one is small m. So how to write? Look here. Firstly write first line in your child notebook, parents. Okay. Okay. Now all students look here. First draw standing line. Okay. Then draw continuously up to down. Okay. M में हम कितनी बार करते थे? 2 times. 2 times up to down, up to down. Okay, N में only 1 time. Okay, see. Standing line. यहाँ से थोड़ा आपको कर्व करना है इसे. Then standing line and up to down. This is a small n. Okay. Have you written? Very good. Standing line. Draw up curve like this. Understood? Once again look here. Like this, draw standing line and draw up curve. This is a small n. You also write n in blue line properly. Okay? So speak and write. M and N. M for mango, M for mat, M for monkey, N for nose, net. Okay, understood? Now I will teach you next letters. Now children, N after which letter come? O. O. See, this one is capital O and this one is small o. Capital O, small o. So how to write small o? I request all parents write first line in your child notebook. Okay, according to PDF. Now children, take your pencil and take your notebook. Ready for writing? Okay, so look here carefully. Write small letter O in blue line. See. write in blue line. Make a circle, small. This is a small O. See, once again look here. Start from here and draw curve. Do continuously like this. Okay, so this one is small O. Okay, write in blue line. Which line? Blue line. Capital O write in 3 line, but small O write in blue line. Okay, understood? Have you written? Good. Once again look here. Start from blue line to another blue line and touch here. This is a small O. This is a small O. O sound is O. Okay. So this one very easy letter. O for onion, O for orange, O for octopus, O for ox. So speak and write. Okay. Understood how to write small O in proper line? Now tell me O after. Yes, very good. P. O after P letter. So look here, this one is capital P and this one is small p. Both are same, but write in different line. This also same, but write in different line. Okay. So how to write small p? Look here. Okay. Now see. Start from blue line. Start from blue line. Draw standing line. Blue to red. Down side red line and draw curve in blue line. Okay. This is small p. This is a small p. Once again look here. Start from which line? Blue line. Good. So draw standing line. Then draw curve in blue line. This is a small p. P sound is pop. You also speak. P sound is pop. Okay. You also write down in your notebook, children. Write in proper line. Okay. This is a small p. P for pen. P for pencil. P for peacock. P for parrot. Okay. Standing line. Curve. Start from blue line to red. Standing line and curve. So understood how to write small O and P. Now I will teach you next letter in next video. Okay. So thank you. Bye.